Hi guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. I feel like I've been in like bathing suits a lot lately. This isn't a bathing suit. This is like a little like sports bra thing, but I feel like I'm so stuck on this like glow thing, but like when I get something into my head, and like how I did the MAC Fix Plus, like the spray thingy, like the making the shimmer one, and it didn't like work how I wanted it to. Now it's like, okay, like I have to figure out how to make it work or like something like it. So I think I have something that's going to be really, really cool, and that is what we're going to do today. Please excuse my like burned skin. It's from the retinol, but let me tell you, how long have I been doing this for? Like not even a week. My skin is changing. I swear on my life it's changing. Like it feels tighter, it just feels nicer, like it feels like a baby's bottom, like I'm telling you. And let me know if we want a video on retinol, like the different kinds, prescription strength versus drugstore versus, you know, let me know, because retinol is something that I think we could do a video on it, and I think it's really cool, and I think a lot of people don't know about retinol and how amazing it is. So I think we should talk about that. But anyway, why are we here? I did the MAC Fix Plus, like the spray, and it just like did not work out how I wanted it to. So I've been checking out different like dupes and things online, and I saw one that I thought was really awesome. I saw one where they did like the dupe of the Body Lava, and they did like the diamond glow highlight and some oil and tried to do it, and it was like eh. And then I saw this one lady's, and it was just like whew, and she kind of just threw in some random stuff, and I was like, you know what, I'm going off of hers because it looks bomb. So without further ado, we are gonna make a dupe of, I guess it would be like the Fenty Body Lava, but even a dupe of like the Sunset Glow Oil and the Marc Jacobs. It might be similar to this because I'm using some rose gold colors, which I didn't even realize at first, but that's what we're going with. So pretty much a dupe for anything like this. And you could also do this in the form of a spray or a lotion. The problem before with my spray was I didn't put enough stuff in, and I think I should have used some loose pigments and different things. So that is what we are gonna do today. So you could do it with the sprays or lotion, you could do it with also, but we are gonna stick to, sorry I got off track for a second, we are gonna stick to making a body oil. So I saw people do it with like grapeseed oil and different things. Something I did want to say is, not everyone believes this, some people do, some people don't. Certain oils and different things might not be compatible with your body, and it also has to do with like allergies and things like that. I know for myself, if I put a ton of coconut oil on myself, I actually start to get extremely itchy. I don't know. There's this book that says it could like have to do with blood type. I don't know. I'm not going to get into all that. I don't know what it is, but I know that if I would use some form of coconut oil, that would just not be compatible for me. So if there's an oil that you use that works for you, I would say go with that. I know almond oil works for me, and I actually had jojoba oil. I can't speak sometimes. And I just mixed them together because I didn't have a full thing. I actually spilled all my almond oil in my bag that I take to do facials and stuff with. So great. So I didn't have a ton, but I was like, you know what, this is enough for us, for what we're doing today. So I mixed the two, and they work good for my skin. So that is what we're gonna go with. I'm gonna show you everything we're gonna add. First things first, I went and I bought this today. It is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Shimmerista, and there were two colors. There was more of a white one and a gold looking one. And this one's called Sunlight, and that's what I got. But I thought it was gold for some reason. I guess I'm blind, and it's totally rose gold. It's actually gonna be really pretty. So let me show you a little bit. Okay, you cannot, damn, I wish you guys could see that spray I did. How pretty it is. So this is what that looks like. So it's very pretty, okay? We're gonna be using this NYX. You can make this, I'm telling you, grab an oil you have laying around the house. If you don't, go to Walmart, go to even a health food store. You can get an oil like this size for like $5 of like almond oil. All of these products I'm using are stuff I already had laying around the house. You don't have to use a set, like, okay, I have to go buy that Lumi, like, no. Use like a loose pigment, okay? I think a loose pigment's gonna work good. We're gonna put some bronzers in. Use what you already have laying around the house. So this is the loose pigment that we're using for the NYX. Okay, see that? That's pretty, right? And imagine on a different skin tone, someone that's not like a ghost. And then I'm gonna use the Wild and Radiant baked highlighters. I think, which one should I use? This one's the most rose goldy. Yeah, that was the one I was gonna go with originally. Okay, we are gonna use the most rose gold one. I just think, I don't know, but then I might throw a little bit of, okay, we're gonna use the rose gold one, and then I'm gonna take the bronzer out of this Pure Cosmetics, and I'm gonna add a little bit of that also, just because it's super dark, whew, and shimmery. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna dump some loose pigment in. Start with the easiest thing. I'm gonna dump some loose pigment in, and I think we gotta go pretty ham with these products, to tell you the truth. Okay, so I put a good amount in there. And I just want to shake it up a little bit. Oh my god, this is gonna be so cool. Wow! Do you see this already? Are you seeing this? Oh, guys, this is gonna be gorgeous. Okay, now I'm getting excited. Okay, so I feel like I'm finally doing something right for the first time in my life. And I was like, I'm gonna do my makeup based off of how this turns out, because you know I'm such a freak, like things gotta match. So now I'm gonna pour some of this Lumi, the L'Oreal thing out. Wow, that actually comes out pretty quickly. I'm just putting it on my my little mixing palette. This was a bad idea. How am I gonna get this into this? Not working. I'm gonna have to use a paper towel to funnel it in. Jesus. Okay, I got a good amount. I'm gonna use this paper towel as a funnel. I have a funnel upstairs. I'm gonna go grab it. I got the funnel. So we're gonna use this. It's actually Sean's for playing in the tub. See, it's almost like, is that called a suspension? Whenever like the oil is thick enough, it's like holding the products up, and it's working so much better than in the liquid. And that is why, yeah, that's why they need the roller ball. Like, you need to have a roller ball to mix it, because it just all settles. You can see it. Oh wow, yeah, you can even see it on these, like just totally settling at the bottom. And you know, that's like a product they're selling, so if they're doing it, like of course when I make it, it's gonna turn out crap. So I am gonna just take, I have this like little spatula thing, and I'm gonna scrape some of these. And see, I'm not even ruining the bronzer. I'm just like scraping it right off the top, and it's still in great shape. And then I'm gonna use that super goldy one. You can see it like separating. It's so cool. Wow, this is pretty. What do you think? I'm like proud of myself. I hope it works. I could sell this. Guys, we could like start start something here, seriously. So now I'm gonna scrape some of this in, and now this is intense. So this is gonna really kick it up a notch, I feel like. I kind of want to put some more pigment. Ooh, that is dark. Okay. I kind of want to put some more pigment in. Wow, this looks crazy pretty right now. Like, if you could see this, like, it's gorgeous. But maybe I should put a little bit of this light pink one in just for some extra, like, diamondy reflection. Alright, we're done. We're gonna see what it looks like now that I've put everything in the world into it. It's so pretty. I feel like that round just lightened it a little bit actually, which I'm kind of happy about. I'm gonna drip it down my hand so you can see it. I mean, at this point, let's just keep going, right? So do you think if I put highlighter in how I did last time, that it would work better because we have a different type of mixture? Why don't I try throwing some of the, some of this in? We'll just see what happens. Why not, you know? I don't care. I mean, we already just tried it out. Let's just keep going with it. See if you could see in person. Holy sparkle now. Let me tell you. Like, look at it. It is so pretty. And you can see the sparkles. Oh, I am telling you. Can you see? I seriously think it's just the lighting because in person, it's like, hello. So what I did was I looked at my, this one, and I was like, so what am I doing wrong? And I looked, and you could tell the ratio of like pigment compared to the ratio of like oil or whatever is in that. There was actually more pigment, it seemed. So I'm like, oh my God. That's where we're all going wrong with this. We're not adding enough. Like, we need to seriously, like, make the... Oh my God, that was my other camera. That scared me. We need to seriously make the ratio of, like, pigment more than the oil. So that's something you need to do when you're making this. So I added more of the loose powder, and I added, because I was thinking of my skin tone, some of the white from this pure bronzy palette, and it made a difference. So I'm gonna show you. Look how pretty that is. Like, it made... Can you already tell, like, the difference? Do you see it? Just from adding a little bit more. And I'm telling you, if you have a bottle, like, if you have something like even half the size, I barely used anything, like, and we already have it glowing this much. So you can choose the intensity pretty much by like how much product you add. But now, oh, it is just, and I know it's hard for you to see on screen, but I'm telling you, it's gorgeous. So I just wanted to share that with you, that I added some more, and I have this, like, it's popping now. So yeah, and I mean, like, say you don't even get it to work, at least you have like this gorgeous bottle of gold gunk that you could set on your dresser and just look at and be like, yep, I made that gold oil that I just look at. But like, it does this cool thing, like, can you see that? Can you see? I'm trying to like put it in my face, like, it does these like line things, and it just looks so cool. I could stare at this all day, but I think we're done with this. Okay, I guess I'll just have to insert this in. So I came into my bathroom where the lighting is like way different, and check this out. Glowy, right? And then I come over to the window. And the sun finally came out. Oh my god, it's so bright I can't even see like what I'm filming right now, but this is what it looks like in the sun. So I would say that this has been a success this time. Okay guys, so I actually did go outside and you saw how great it looked outside. I have it on right now. It looks awesome. I really like it. I'm telling you, in the sun it's like, whoo! It's so much better in person. I did a totally crazy bronze look, but you know that I had to, because that's just me. Yeah, what did I even use? I used like this, the highlight in this. It's gorgeous. I used my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette on my eyes. Yeah, I forgot how much I love that palette. So yeah, you know the drill. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for a bunch of just weirdness from me and makeup and life. Head to my Instagram. The Kat Von D giveaway is going on right now. You know there's always a giveaway though. If you have any ideas for a future giveaway, don't forget to drop your ideas below. And also I want you to let me know what you think of this dupe, if you would try it, if you have tried it. Yeah, let me know what you think. So yeah, and if you have any ideas what I could film while I'm on vacay, I'm gonna have videos ready to go for next week, but I'm gonna film while I'm there and then put those up the week after. What could I film while I'm in Maine? I'm gonna vlog too. Ooh, how cool. Okay, so yeah, love you guys. Bye.